Hello, how you doing? Not going to keep you long today. Just going to do some pan-fried stovetop garlic mushrooms. They're really, really easy and delicious. So, obviously we're going to need some mushrooms. I've got these fresh white mushrooms. I've got 500 grams there. I'm keeping them whole. You can chop them up if you want. It's entirely up to you. Garlic, as much or as little as you like. I've got about 4 cloves there. And then I've got a teaspoon each, roughly, of salt and pepper, oregano and smoked paprika. Really simply, we're going to get the mushrooms in a bowl. We're going to add everything in. So in goes the garlic. Now I've sliced my garlic. You can chop it much finer if you want. In goes the salt, pepper, the oregano and the smoked paprika. To that we're going to add some olive oil. This is pouring really slowly, so I'm only going to put in about 3 or 4 tablespoons total. And then to that, very, very simply, a nice knob of butter. Just give that a little shake up so it kind of gets the spices on the mush, and then it's over to the cooker. So we're going to be doing this all on a medium heat the whole way. There's nothing in that pan because we've got the oil and we've got the butter in the bowl. So it all goes in. And then we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes, and we're going to be stirring every now and then. And then really simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick a lid on it. Well, I'm actually using a chopping board, but a lid just to cover it, and then let it go for about another 5 minutes or so, and it will steam out and it's ready to go. They're really, really super delicious. So we've got some really nice moisture from the mushrooms there, garlicky, got the paprika in there, delicious stuff. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.